Hello everyone, welcome to Momma Soul Kitchen and Cooking with Granny. Today we're going to go over my Hamhock Collard Greens. Ooh-wee! And this is the thing we do. We grow them out our garden, we wash them and clean them about 4 times. 4 times, get all that dirt and grit off of them, put it into a nice thing of seasoned water of Hamhocks. And then we boil the Hamhocks for about, an hour and a half, 2 hours. And then we go ahead and add our freshly cut collard greens, and we add onion and garlic and also some other flavorings, like you can add bouillon flavorings, and I have a special kind of paste bouillon that I put into here. And then everything else just comes together. It's about how you season your stuff, people, okay? It's about the seasoning. It's so important. If you have salt and pepper in your greens, it's gonna taste like salt and pepper in your greens, okay? People are gonna talk about you at the church. If you guys don't do this right, you gotta do it right. And then you let your greens boil on a medium boil, okay, for about a good hour and a half. And then voila, it's all done. Well, it's very simple. Like you said, it's about what you put in it, and it makes it taste delicious. Exactly. And if you put in the right seasoning, it's going to be delicious, and it's not going to be any left in that pot. Oh, no. And it's also a good thing. You guys can also freeze it too. Put it into some nice freezer Ziploc bags when it cools off, and there you go. You just bring it out when you're ready. And eat and voila. So if you guys like my granddaughter's cooking, make sure you guys keep on following us. We love more followers. Like, share, and subscribe, and we'll be back soon with more.